Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's meditation and Mandala invite you to the gentleness of forgiveness. It's a sacred space where your heart can finally soften and let go. As I create this mandala, allow your breathing to slow, your shoulders to relax, and your heart to become light again. Close your eyes or relax your gaze. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart space. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Imagine a soft pink light glowing in your chest, gentle, calming, and warm. The light is here to help you release the old resentment, to let go of emotional heaviness, to finally breathe freely again. With every inhale, the light grows brighter. With every exhale, it expands further. Now imagine your heart is holding a small stone, a symbol of old pain, hurtful memories, or unresolved emotions. There is no judgment, only awareness. Feel the weight of the stone, its heaviness, its intensity, its pressure. With each breath, the green-pink light begins to wrap around the stone, softening it, warming it, loosening its grip. As I place each dot on this mandala, imagine the stone becoming lighter, less heavy, and less sharp. Now visualize yourself standing near a peaceful lake. The water is calm, shimmering under beautiful sunlight. You hold the stone in your hands. Feel its weight, your past burdens, your old hurts. Now look at the lake. It's wide, peaceful, and forgiving. When you feel ready, step closer to water and gently place the stone on its edge. You don't have to throw it. You can simply let it go. You watch the stone sink beneath the surface, slowly disappearing, taken in by the healing energy of the water. The lake doesn't judge you, it simply accepts and transforms. Your heart feels lighter now, a little more open, a little more peaceful. Take another slow breath in and exhale deeply. Now imagine your heart blooming like a flower, petal by petal, softening and opening too. There is space now, space for love, space for light, space for peace, space for joy, and space for energy, space for deep breathing, space for happiness. You do not forgive to excuse the past. You forgive to free yourself from it. Feel the green pink light expanding outward, filling your entire chest, flowing down your arms, through your hands, into your entire body. You are now wrapped in a protective layer of compassion. If tears rise, it's okay. If memories surface, it's okay. Your heart is healing. And this healing is gentle. And this healing is slow. And this healing is sacred too. Feel your breath soften, your chest expand, your heart lighten, and stay here for a few deep breaths. You stay here in peace, in softness, and also in love. Now, I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat mentally or you can repeat out loud. I release what no longer serves my heart. I release what no longer serves my heart. Forgiveness brings me peace and freedom. Forgiveness brings me peace and freedom. I choose compassion over resentment. I choose compassion over resentment. My heart is open, soft, and light. My heart is open, soft, and light. I allow love to fill spaces where once pain lived. I allow love to fill spaces where once pain lived. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. You have created a space in your heart today. You have honored your healing. If this meditation helped you release something heavy, share your experience in the comments. Your courage may inspire someone today.